Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to duplicate the existing campaign. If you see, if your existing campaign is going good with low cost per install or low cost conversion with good conversion rate, and it give you good conversion rate with good CPC, so you don't need to generate a new campaign or a new ad group. You just duplicate this one and with same ad group and same keyword. So let's see how we can do. First of all, we will click here, click on edit, then click copy. Okay, so now the one campaign copy. Now click edit again, and then we will paste here. So this is two option, you can use this, but we will just simply click paste. So the processing is going on, so wait for some moments, then your existing ad campaign will duplicate here. Okay, it will take some moments, be patient. You must need to wait. So this is the way how we can duplicate the existing campaign to a new one. Here is, so now the campaign is finished. Here is your new campaign with same budget, same cost per install, everything is same. So this is how we can duplicate the existing campaign to a new one. Thank you.